Growing spinach. Welcome to our quick guide on planting and growing perpetual spinach, a versatile and easy to grow leafy green perfect for any allotment or garden. First, choose a sunny spot in your allotment or garden. Perpetual spinach thrives in light and well-drained soil. Begin by loosening the soil gently. There's no need to dig deep. Just make it welcoming for the roots. Add a layer of compost to enrich the soil. This step ensures your spinach gets a great start with all the nutrients it needs. Create shallow trenches about ½ inch deep and space them about 12 inches apart. Sow the seeds sparingly along the trenches and cover them lightly with soil. Water gently to moisten the area. Keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged as your spinach grows. It loves moisture but hates wet feet. In just a few weeks you'll see your perpetual spinach flourishing. You can start harvesting when the leaves are young and tender, or wait until they're fully grown for a more robust flavour. Always pick the outer leaves first. This helps keep the plant productive and extends your spinach harvest season. And there you have it, perpetual spinach from garden to table in just a few easy steps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more growing tips and sustainable ideas. Grow greener, grow smarter.